Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix OpenGX crashing. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If OpenGX is crashing, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So the first method would be ensure that you are using the latest version of OpenGX. Check for updates by going to Settings, Opera Help. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Another method, clearing the browser cache, can help resolve issues related to temporary data. Navigate to Settings, Privacy and Security, then hit Clear Browsing Data, and choose the cache images and data. Finally, hit on Clear Data. Another method, browser extensions can sometimes cause crashes. Temporarily disable all extensions in OpenGX to see if the crashes persist. If the crashes stop, enable extensions one by one to identify the problematic one. Next method, resetting the browser settings to their default values can resolve configuration related issues. To do this, go to Settings, Browser, then scroll down through the bottom and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Another method, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, for example, Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. Download the latest drivers for your system. Next method, hardware acceleration can sometimes cause crashes. Disable it by going to Settings and use the search bar and search for hardware, and turning off the option for use hardware acceleration when available. Next method, right-click on the Opera GX shortcut, go to Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check for the option to run the program in compatibility mode, and choose a previous Windows version. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Next method, if the crashes continues, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Opera GX. Make sure to back up your important data before installing. Next guide, ensure that your operating system is up to date. System updates can include important fixes that may resolve compatibility issues. Another guide, if there are error messages accompanying the crashes, take note of them. They can provide valuable information for diagnosing the cause of the crashes. If the issue persists after trying these steps, it's recommended to contact Opera's official support on the Opera Help, then visit their community forums for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.